Hello students, I am Bindi Desai from Saraswati International Academy and will be teaching you 5th English Medium Environment Studies. Chapter 3 From Tasting to Digesting. Now, Part 1. Chapter 1 Super Senses we have already discussed and completed with our notes. Right? In that chapter we learned about our super senses like smelling, tasting, feeling, looking, etc. How a human being or a bird or an animal can feel the surrounding and can know the thing or the object or what is going around by the super senses. Now, the third chapter is from tasting to digesting. See, now we all know that eating, we eat through our mouth, we chew our food through our teeth. Now another thing, it is also a kind of sense, tasting. In this chapter further we are going to learn about different tastes which our tongue can feel and we can understand through the taste and the smell of the food of the varieties in our kitchen. Let's start up. Different taste. Here a story is given. Let's read. Jumba ran into the kitchen and caught hold of her mother, saying, "Ma, I'm not going to eat this bitter Karela. Bitter God. Give me gur, that is jaggery, and roti." Ma smiled and said, "You ate roti and sugar in the morning." Julan tested Jumba, teased Jumba. "Don't you get bored of any one kind of taste?" Jumba replied quickly, "Do you get bored licking imli, that is tamarind? I bet your mouth is watering just by hearing this word, imli. Sure, I love the sour imli, but I eat sweet and salty things too. I even eat karela, that is bitter gourd," said Julian and looked at her mother. They both laughed heartedly. See, here a story is given. The Jumba ran to his mother and he was not having to eat the karela, that is bitter gourd. It is a vegetable which is pungent in taste. Imli, we call it as a tamarind. Tamarind has a sour taste. We call it as a khattu in Gujarati and sour in English. It has a sour taste. Imli. Julian said to Jumba, "Let's play a game. You close your eyes and open your mouth." See, this is also a sense that if our eyes is closed, but through our nose, through our smelling power, we can understand the taste, that what is the food, or we can smell it through the smell of the food. I will put something to eat in your mouth. You have to tell what is it. Julian took a few drops of lemon juice in a spoon and put them in a Jumba's mouth. "Sour lemon," Jumba replied quickly. So, we all know about the different taste. Let's discuss. First is sweet. We all eat cakes, pastries, chocolates, sweet, jaggery, that is gourd. In Uttarayan season we make til, right? Til laddu. We also add good or jaggery in that laddu, is it? Then we have different ice creams. The taste of ice cream is also sweet and it is very cold, right? Then we have sour taste, like we have tamarind, we have tomato. Then we have pungent taste, pungent, pungent taste. We have onion, garlic, which generally we eat in our daily basis. Then the taste of karela, that is bitter, we say it kadwa, is it? Bitter is known as kadwa. For example, karela. Also garlic is also bitter in taste. Here few items of food is given. fish, tamarind, onion, tomato, cucumber. These all have different taste. And also we can eat by frying or by cooking or by boiling all the different things. For example, tomato and cucumber, they are used in salad, is it? Fish we can either roast or we can either cook it through boiling also. Then we have onion, we have garlic, is it? Julan then picked up a small piece of jaggery. That is good. It is sweet in taste. Her mother suggested. Crush it, otherwise she will know what it is. So first what she gave lemon juice. It is sour in taste. Khatta we can say, is it? Sour lemon. Now she is giving jaggery. Jaggery we all know it is sweet, right? They played the game with different food items. Jumba could tell the fried fish even before tasting it. Why? Because of the smelling of it. Julan said, now close your nose and tell me what it is. Now Jumba was confused. It is bit bitter, a little salty, somewhat sour. Give me one more spoonful now. Her eyes were also closed and even her nose was also closed. Now she is confused that it may be a bitter, a salty, or somewhat sour. So what she told, give me one more spoonful. So Julan took another spoonful of cooked karela, uncovered Jumba's eyes and said, here it is. Yes, give me more. So what was it? It was a bitter karela which was cooked. So even her nose and eyes were closed, so she was not able to recognize it. Next, Julian's mouth started watering when she heard the word imli. Imli, we all know it is sour in taste. Khatta, imli. When does your mouth water? List 5 things that you would like to eat and describe their taste. See, we also know that tomato is also sour in taste. Also, there are many chocolates which are sour. Khatta, kachi keri, khatta am. There are few chocolates which are sour in taste. Do you like only one kind of taste or different ones? Why? See, generally small kids love to eat more sweet foods, right? Like chocolates, ice creams. If they don't do their homework, mama gives them this kind of fruits. And we adults, we small students, what they eat? They eat pizza, they eat sandwich. Is it? Different food items with different taste. We eat different types of juices, like we have carrot juice, beetroot juice, right? They have different taste, that is pungent, we can say. Then we have vitamin C, citrus fruits like oranges. These all are sour in taste. Grape juice, this is also sour and sweet in taste. Julian put a few drops of lemon juice in Jumba's mouth. Do you think we can say? Make out the taste with a few drops. Yes, generally with if salt and sugar are generally used with the juices to make it more salty or to make it more sweet. So by our tongue we can easily know the taste of the food or with the few drops. If someone were to put a few seeds of sof, see here a sof is given. Sof is what? Variali, which we mukhwas we can say, right? Mukhwas we eat after our food, after our lunch or dinner. So on your tongue, would you be able to tell with your eyes closed how? Fennel seeds, they are also known as fennel seeds or any seed. Variali, sof. In hotels also we get it after our food, right? We get the sugar and the sof. By closing our eyes, we can know through the taste of it. The smell and even the taste is sweet and very nice smell of the sof. Is it? How did Jumba make out the fried fish? Can you guess the names of certain things only by their smell without seeing or tasting? See, soft we have already discussed. that it has a very good taste. When we keep in our mouth after our food, we like to eat it, is it? Then that is mukhwas, we can say, of different varieties. Then we have tomato, right? It is sweet, it is sour, and it is juicy. Also, I told you about orange juice, lemon juice, grape juice. They are also sweet and sour. Imli, that is tamarind. In pani puri we make this, is it? Imli ki chutney with jaggery and also with khajur. So the taste of the jaggery is sweet. Khajur dates, we can say, which we eat in winter season, right? If we keep jaggery or khajur in our mouth, we can say that it has a sweet taste. Imli ki chutney, we can say. Then we have coriander, green chili chutney. So with the smell or by keeping few drops on the tongue, we can know the taste of the food items. Also we have garlic. Garlic is bitter, just like Karela we know, right? Karela is bitter, that is bitter gourd. Even garlic is bitter with pungent smell. Kadwas, we can say, right? Now, has anyone ever told you to hold your nose before taking a medicine? What do you think? See, small kids generally they drink syrup, right? But the students or the childrens, we can say, of age 10 to 16, they generally get medicines, right? So we generally tell them to close the nose. Why? So that the taste does not come, smell does not come, and they can easily take it with the water. Now close your eyes and tell. Here, see, label the parts of the tongue also is given here. Let's read out first. Collect of food items having different kind of taste. See, different kind of taste, we can say, is first of all sweet. In that we have cakes, pastries, jaggery, sugar, which is available easily at our home, right? Sugar and jaggery. Chocolates, pastries, which generally all the kids love. Then we have sour taste, that we have discussed: tomato, lemon juice, imli, that is tamarind. Then we have pungent. Pungent is onion, garlic. Then we have bitter gourd. Karela, it has a pungent taste. Then we discussed about the snuff, saunf, saunf, soft. Sorry, soft has a good smell with sweet taste. And there are varieties in soft also with different taste, right? Now, how did it taste? What was the food item? Second, on which part of the tongue could you get the most taste? In front, at the back, on the left or right of the tongue? See, human tongue, we all know what role it plays, right? Nose, we all know it is a sense through which we can smell any of the food particle item, any of the object which is nearer to us. We learned about the bad smell and the good smell also, right? All the dirty things, scrap, garbage, it has a bad taste or smell, sorry. And all the food items which has a tasty taste, they come under which smell? Good smell. Now, tongue also plays a very important role. Part of the tongue, we can say. See, the first part, here it is sweet. Here the part is sweet. Then second is salty and sour. And on the upper part the taste is bitter, bitter. Sweet comes after that, salty, then we have sour taste, and at the end of our tongue we can experience the bitter taste. Here a question is asked that which taste could be made out of which part of the tongue. Mark this part on a given picture. So I discussed already that at the end we can experience the bitter taste, then we have sour, then we have salty, and in the beginning on the tip of the tongue we can taste a sweet smell. One at a time, put some things to eat on other part of your mouth, under the tongue, on the lips, on the roof of the mouth. Did you get any taste there? See, a human tongue. Even the animals has a tongue to swallow the things. Snake, right? Cow, dog, how the tongue comes out and how they snub the food. Even humans have the same thing. Four taste we can easily recognize or taste it. First, bitter, as I told you, right? Now, in our mouth there is a saliva. With the help of the saliva, we can understand, और we when the saliva mixes with our food, जो हम लोग खाना खाते हैं वो saliva के साथ mix होता है, that we can know the taste. These are the different tastes. I told you sweet, salty, sour and bitter. So one at a time. If there is no saliva in our mouth, we cannot understand the taste. Saliva plays a very important role in our mouth to know the different taste of the food particles. Now, use a clean cloth to wipe the front part of your tongue so that it becomes dry. Here it is given. There are small dots. Can you see it on our tongue? It has a rough surface. Our tongue has a rough surface. Put some sugar or jaggery there. Could you taste anything? Why does it happen? I told you that if we rub the tongue or clean the tongue, it becomes rough. There is no saliva, so we are not able to taste the food. Why? Just because the food mixes with the saliva so that we can know the taste. Are you clear? If the tongue is clean or unclean or without saliva, we can say, then we are not able to taste the food items. Stand in front of a mirror and look closely at your tongue. How does the surface look? I told you it looks like a rough surface. How does the surface look? Can you see any tiny bumps on the surface? Yes, here it is already shown how the tiny bumps are seen on our tongue, and how before also on page 24 we have discussed about the parts of the tongue, different taste how we are experiencing on the tongue. Now, if someone asks you to describe the taste of amla or cucumber, you might find it difficult to explain. No, not at all. Amla is gooseberry, right? Gooseberry we generally eat in which season? In winter, right? And cucumber, we eat it as a salad. So we can know the taste of both the things. Amla is also sour. Next, how could you describe the taste of tomato? I told you sweet, sour and juicy. Is it? Liquid is generally found in tomatoes, right? We also have lemon juice, an example of sour taste. Next is onion. Onion, I told you, pungent in taste. Then we have snuff. Snuff is sweet. Then we have garlic. Garlic is bitter with pungent smell. Think of the words that you know or make up your word to describe the taste. See, we generally eat hot things, cold things. Sorry, hot food items or cold food items. Like in summer season, we generally eat more ice creams. Right, in winter season, we prefer to eat all the different hot foods. And in rainy season, we prefer to eat all the hot things like maize, makai, right? Then we eat all the bhajiyas, how we cook it, how we eat different roasting food items. Yes or no? So, if we eat any of the chili items, so what do we do it? Is it when any of the green chutney, for example, green chili toast we eat, right? So what it is, the taste is what? We can say it as a chili, green chili, right? Next, what do you think she have eaten? So when Jumba tasted some of the things, she See, so maybe she might have eaten the chili taste. Sorry, she might have eaten the chili. Now when we eat the noodles, when we eat the kheer, what type of taste it is? It is the taste of slurp. SLURP. We do this type of thing whenever we eat Maggi or noodles, is it? Then why don't you make sounds that describe some taste? Because it's generally normal, right? So the next part 2 we will be discussing further, chew it or chew it well. What is the difference between it? Till now we have discussed about the parts of the tongue, how the different food particles have different taste, how the saliva mixes with the food items, then only we can taste, and the surface of our tongue is rough. Also we have discussed about the tamarind, snuff and various food items which is found in our kitchen. We we like to eat all the delicious food, right? In the hotels, they also have different taste. Generally we prefer to eat all the cold drinks. Few are which in taste, few are sweet. Like we eat mango in the summer season, mango juice also we eat, mango ras. So which taste we can say? A sweet taste, yummy we can say, is it? Even the roti or chapati which we eat, bhakri, with the all the sabjis, so it has also a different taste, is it? Further we will be discussing about it. Thank you.